Hello students, how you all? In our last lecture we have discussed syllabus planning of class 10. Okay, that time I told in our next lecture I am going to start new chapter wise syllabus. Like first chapter I am starting real number. Okay, before real number we have to discuss what is number system. Number system means kya? Branch of mathematics where we are discussing about all the types of number. Either it is real, complex, rational, irrational, all type of number. One by one I am going to start with complete description. Okay, now I am requesting all of you, those who are not went through my first video lecture, go through first because it is necessary to revise. It is necessary to know what are the syllabus, what are the units, weightage of the units. Okay, now we are going to start with number system. Okay, number system is divided into two parts, real number and imaginary number. Okay, real number means all type of number जो हम दुनिया में देखते हैं, जो हमारे डेली यूज में आते हैं. इमेजिनरी नंबर जो हमारे यूज में कम आता है, बट वी आर स्टडिंग इमेजिनरी नंबर इन क्लास 11 एज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. Okay, means क्या, whenever you are getting this type of number, square root of negative number like minus a, minus 2 root, minus 5 root, these numbers are called imaginary number. Okay, there are complete chapter you have. It's a very huge chapter, important for class 11, that we will discuss in class 11th only. Okay, till now we will discuss real number. Now first I am starting with your class 9th only. Okay, this number, real number is for class 9th and 10th, both are same. Okay, now natural number, first n denoted by n. Natural number is denoted by n and set of natural number will be क्या, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till n. Okay, that means क्या, all the positive number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you cannot take point 1.1, 1.2. No, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this you can represent on number line also. 1, if this 2, 3 till plus infinity you have to go. Okay, when we talk about whole number, there is only one change. Okay, in whole number we have 0 also, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 till n. That is called whole number denoted by W. Okay, third number I am discussing integers, very important. From smaller class teachers are discussing with you integer, what is integers. Okay, now I am explaining in very short way, in a small way. Integers is denoted by Z. Okay, they are divided into two parts. Which one? Positive integer or negative integer. Positive integer or negative integer means kya? If we talk about number line, okay, for this I am drawing here number line 0, 1, 2 till plus infinity, minus 1, minus 2 till minus infinity. These numbers are called positive integer, these numbers are called negative integer. I hope you understand. Okay, numbers represent on number line both the sides of 0. 0 is also included in a positive integer. Remember this. Okay, here also you cannot take 1.1 as an integer, 1.2 as an integer. That's why you will remember these things. Okay, next I am taking rational number. Rational number means not very difficult, it's very simple. Whenever you are getting anything in terms of fraction, like you are getting 1 by 2, okay, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, anything, they are rational number. Means kya, represented by rational number, represent in form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Why q is not equal to 0? If anything upon 0 we are writing, that means undefined. That is the reason why we are not taking q equal to 0. Okay, represent in form of p by q. Now next thing is terminating. Terminating means क्या, जो terminate हो. Okay, जैसे 1 by 2, 0.2, 0.15, मतलब वो terminate हो गया, आगे बढ़ नहीं रहा है. Okay, that is called terminating. ओके, सिंपल सा है, कोई भी अगर नंबर 1 by 2 फ्रैक्शन है उसे मैं डिवाइड करूंगा तो टर्मिनेटिंग तो हो गई. ओके, बट यहाँ एक कंडीशन और होती है, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग. नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग मींस क्या, जैसे कि आपने क्लास 9 में पढ़ा होगा 1 by 7 क्या है, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग है, बट एक पर्टिकुलर एक्सपेंशन के बाद इट विल बी रिपीटिंग. ओके, व्हेन यू डू लॉन्ग डिवीजन. ओके, और वन मोर एग्जांपल लाइक 7 बार्स. 0.7 बार मींस क्या, 0.777 ... मींस क्या, रिपीटिंग और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. Okay, 0.3333 repeating, non-terminating. This can be like this also, 0.32 32 32 repeating but non-terminating, dot 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 we are writing. Okay, next thing is irrational number, very important for class 10. For class 9 also it is very important, because in class 9 you have to represent irrational number on number line also. Okay, now what is irrational number? Okay, बच्चे डर जाते हैं कि सर irrational number से नफरत सी है, but डरना नहीं है, I am here. Okay, what is irrational number? Not represent in form of p by q, मतलब क्या, वो टर्मिनेटिंग नहीं होगा. ओके, तो उसे p by q की फॉर्म में रख ही नहीं सकते. ओके, p by q की फॉर्म में रखती तो वो रेशनल हो गया. नाउ सेकंड थिंग, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर आर इरेशनल नंबर. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर मतलब क्या, √2 √3 √5 एंड √7 √11 आर इरेशनल नंबर. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जब भी इनको हम सोल्व करेंगे तो विल गेट क्या, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिपीटिंग नंबर. फॉर एग्जांपल, और मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट डेफिनेशन इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिपीटिंग. जो नंबर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग और नॉन रिपीटिंग हो, मतलब वो टर्मिनेट भी नहीं हो रहा और रिपीट भी नहीं हो रहा, तो क्या होंगे, इरेशनल नंबर. ओके, लाइक दिस 0.12345 ओके, पॉइंट और के 1.412356 लाइक दिस, कुछ भी लिख दो बट वो रिपीटिंग नहीं होना चाहिए, तो उस तरह के नंबर हो गए इरेशनल नंबर. ओके, यह एक चीज आती है जो बच्चे बड़ा कंफ्यूज होते हैं और एनसीईआरटी में डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस भी आते हैं, सर 22/7 इज रेशनल और इरेशनल नंबर. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर मैं यहां बोलता हूं, यहां एक एग्जांपल और लिखता है, पाई एंड ई आर इरेशनल नंबर. पाई की वैल्यू सर 22/7 होती है, बट 22/7 इज रेशनल नंबर बिकॉज क्या, 22/7 इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग फॉर्म ऑफ p by q. इसको डिवाइड करोगे तो क्या आएगा, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग नंबर. बट पाई क्या है, पाई को एक शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखा है फॉर कैलकुलेशन पर्पस है 22/7. अदरवाइज पाई वैल्यू विल कम क्या, 3.147 लाइक दिस, इट विल गो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एज रिपीटिंग नंबर, नॉन रिपीटिंग. ओके, e is also a exponential number, that is also a same kind, that also e will be discussed in class 11. Okay, I hope you all understand this you have to remember because in NCERT questions are there. 22/7 is rational or irrational number. 22/7 is rational number or pi is irrational number. Okay, now if I ask 0 is rational or irrational number, okay, 0 is rational or not. 0 is also a rational number. Why? Because 0 you can represent in form of p by q, 0/2 0/3 like this. Understood? These points are very important, small points. Okay, you can, whenever you are watching my video, you can make it pause, write notes, then again continue. Okay, because I am going fast because I want you also will go fast. Okay, now very important composite number for class 10 purpose. Okay, in class 10 first exercise question is given based on composite number. What is this composite number? Number having more than 2 factors. Number having more than 2 factor means क्या, 1 is not composite number, 1 का factor 1 ही होता है. 2 is not composite factor because 2 का factor क्या होगा, 1 और 2. 3 is not composite number क्यों, because in 3 also 1 और 3. 4 is composite number. Why? 4 is divided by 1, 2 and 4 itself. Okay, so your first composite number is 4. Yes. Okay, in exam also they are asking क्या, find the LCM of first composite number and first prime number. Find the LCM of first composite number and first prime number. Okay, 6 is also this, 7 is not a composite number. Okay, so you have to remember this thing. Okay, go through again. If you have any doubt to ask me and comment me. Go through, write down everything. Okay students, now I am taking class 9 1 or 2 question. Okay, representing rational number because they are important for class 10 and NTSC also. Okay, now x is equal to, you can write here 32.32 or 32 bar. Okay, for this you have direct trick also, but we are solving this. Multiply by 100 both sides. 100x equal to 32.32 bar. So this will be 1, this will be 2. Equation 2 minus 1. When we do 2 minus 1, so 100x minus x, that will be 99x, or here 32 minus this. So this or this cancel, will get 32x equal to 32/99. Okay, or the direct short trick will be क्या, whenever you are getting this, so we'll write क्या 32/99. Okay, whenever you have 0.3 bar, that means क्या 3/9. This will be your short trick. Okay, now write two rational and irrational number between them. Okay, this type of question asked in 10th board also. Between two rational or irrational number between them. So for rational definition is क्या terminating. So 1.2 between them. Okay, so we can take 1.3, 2.4, any number which is non terminating or not repeating. Okay, or you can take non terminating but repeating also. Okay, for irrational number तो आसान है, 1.2, 1, 3 dot 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 and anything 1.45 or you can take 2.1, 5, 6, 7 dot 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 खत्म, बड़ा आसान होता है. Okay, now I am taking rationalization. Okay, sir, why you are repeating class 9 questions? Because it's necessary. Rationalization, rational number will come everywhere. They will not ask in which chapter they will ask. Okay, in any chapter they can ask this type of question anywhere. In trigonometry also rationalization is coming, remember. Okay, first thing, how to rationalization this? You all know. 3 plus root 2, rationalization factor of this 3 minus root 2 upon 3 minus root 2. Okay, so first upside to 3 minus root 2 as it is, a square minus b square, 3 square minus root 2 square, simple. 3 minus root 2 upon 9 minus 2, 7, finish, very good. Okay, this question, 3 upon root 3 minus root 5, then we will write root 3 plus root 5, rationalizing factor पता sign change करके ऊपर नीचे multiply करिए, then 3 equal to root 3 plus root 5. Okay, now here 3 minus 5, so this will come here 3 root 3 plus root 5 upon minus 2. I hope you all understand. Okay, note down. Now students, we are writing some important identities. Okay, first in this video we are discussing only basic. Okay, because these identities will also ask in any chapter. Real number, quadratic equation, linear equation, trigonometry, in all the chapters this will come. Okay, so for solving any kind of question. Okay, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square. When a minus b whole square will come, so here will come minus sign. Okay, so you have to remember a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. A cube plus b cube, very important. How to remember? Remember a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square. Again I am repeating, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square. Or sometimes students are writing that they are taking 3ab common, a plus b. This also you can write. Now a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a. Understood? These two minus only, baki plus. Clear? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a. Okay, a cube plus b cube, very important. A plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. Here this is important. If plus, so here minus will come. If plus, so here minus will come. Same here. A minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Minus to plus, plus to minus, minus to plus. Are you getting me? Very good. Okay, two more identities are remaining. I am writing here. Okay, note down. You can pause and note down. 7. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. You all remember because so many questions asked in class 9 based on this. Okay, so many questions are given in R.D. Sharma. I already told you, refer R.D. Sharma if you want to become great mathematician. Okay, if you want to score more than 75 marks, refer R.D. Sharma. Question 8, that is क्या? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, that is equal to what? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, here one condition is also there. When a plus b plus c equal to 0. दैट टाइम क्या होगा, व्हेन दिस इक्वल टू 0 देन a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस c क्यूब माइनस 3abc इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस c क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 3abc. Okay, note down these all identities quickly. Okay students, here we already discussed all the basic for class 10th which is required minimum basic ML we discussed. Okay, I am having request to you, prepare your plan because in our next lecture I am going to discuss first topic of chapter 1 real number, that is Euclid division lemma. Okay, name is Euclid division lemma something, but it is very simple topic. You all will going to love this topic, Euclid division lemma for finding HCF और LCM. HCF और LCM तुम्हें आपको फाइंड आउट करना आता है, बट इसमें थोड़ा सा अलग मेथड्स है, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सा सिंपल सा लॉन्ग डिवीजन करना है और करना है. Okay, now I am requesting you to learn all the basics, all types of number, all types of identities. That is the only homework for you. Learn and come. Thank you. Share my video if you like this and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Bye.